Offered for sale is a 2023 Ram 5500 4x4 bucket truck equipped with a Dur-A-Lift DTAX2-42 insulated aerial lift, an exceptionally versatile and late-model utility truck designed for electric utility contractors, telecommunications companies, sign installation contractors, municipalities, streetlight maintenance departments, property maintenance firms, and general aerial service providers. Combining the rugged off-road capability of the Ram 5500 chassis with a modern insulated aerial device and remarkably low mileage, this truck represents an outstanding opportunity to acquire a nearly new bucket truck with remaining factory warranty coverage and years of productive service ahead. Powered by the legendary Cummins ISB 6.7-liter turbo diesel engine producing 360 horsepower and paired with the highly respected Aisin AS69RC 6-speed automatic transmission, this truck delivers exceptional performance, reliability, and durability. The Cummins diesel platform is widely regarded as one of the most dependable power plants available in the medium-duty truck market, while the commercial-grade Aisin transmission provides excellent drivability and long-term dependability under demanding working conditions. The truck is also equipped with an exhaust brake, helping improve downhill control and reduce service brake wear. A large 52-gallon fuel tank provides excellent operating range for daily utility and contractor operations. Built on a Class 5 medium-duty chassis with a 19,500-pound GVWR, this Ram features a highly desirable 4x4 drivetrain with a limited slip differential and a manual shift-on-the-fly transfer case. This combination provides exceptional traction and mobility when operating in construction sites, utility easements, undeveloped properties, storm recovery areas, and other challenging environments where two-wheel drive trucks may struggle. The chassis is supported by a 7,000-pound front axle and a 13,500-pound rear axle and rides on a heavy-duty spring suspension system. Hydraulic brakes provide confident stopping power, while all steel wheels contribute to long-term durability. Mounted on the chassis is a Dur-A-Lift DTAX2-42 aerial device, featuring a combination articulating and telescopic boom design. The unit provides a maximum 47-foot working height, 42-foot platform height, and 28-foot side reach, allowing operators to efficiently access power lines, communication infrastructure, signs, lighting systems, and elevated work areas. The boom is insulated to Category C standards, making it suitable for utility applications when operated according to applicable industry safety standards. The aerial lift features continuous rotation and a desirable 180-degree platform rotator, allowing operators to precisely position the bucket and significantly increase productivity while working aloft. The platform accommodates one occupant and is rated for a 350-pound capacity. Additional features include platform tilt functionality and simple, intuitive single-handle upper controls that provide smooth and precise operation. One of the most attractive aspects of this truck is its outrigger-free design. Unlike many traditional bucket trucks, the DTAX2-42 does not require outriggers, dramatically reducing setup time and increasing productivity when multiple service calls are performed throughout the day. The bottom-mounted boom configuration further enhances maneuverability while maintaining a compact overall footprint. Finished in white with a gray regular cab interior, the truck is equipped with air conditioning, cruise control, power windows, and power door locks. Additional factory equipment includes the Tradesman Level 1 equipment group, Uconnect 3 infotainment system with a 5-inch touchscreen display, integrated voice command functionality, and a Park View rear backup camera. Notes indicate the truck is a one-owner vehicle with a clean Carfax report and that the remainder of Ram's 5-year 100,000-mile powertrain warranty remains in effect. With only 24,723 miles and 1,816